Hello everyone. Today we'd like to show you the concept of box plots and how to make one. So box plots enable us to make accurate statements about the distribution of data values. They also help us to study the characteristics of a group of scores and their level. Box plots provide a quick and informative overview of the distribution of data values, which when compared to a histogram uses a lot less space. So let's show you how to make one. First, you need to be able to identify 5 key data points in your dataset. The first two are very straightforward, the minimum and the maximum. The other 3 data points are the first quartile, Q1, the second quartile, Q2, and the third quartile, Q3. Now, once you have all 5 of these, you can plot them on a number line. And then you draw the box plot around that. Now let's try to solve an example. Let's say we have the numbers 11, 22, 20, 14, 29, 8, 35, 27, 13, 49, 10, 24, and 17. So first, let's sort them by ascending size. So that gives us 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 17, 20, 22, 24, 27, 29, 35, 49. So at this point, we have a total of 13 numbers. The next thing to do is to break the data into 2 equal parts. So let's calculate Q2, which is the median of this data set. To do this, we eliminate the numbers on both sides, and we keep doing that. And that's how we get the middle number. This will give us the median, which is 20. I'm going to mark the number 20 with Q2 and draw a line underneath it. So now I have 2 equal parts of data. I have 6 numbers on the left side and 6 on the right side. Now I need to find the median of the lower side of the data. So again, I eliminate the first 2 numbers until I have 2 numbers in the middle. Because we have 2 numbers, the median is the average of these 2 numbers. So the average of 11 and 13 is 12. The first quartile Q in our data set is 12. And now we repeat the same steps on the other side. So Q3 is between 27 and 29, which is 28. Now we have Q1, Q2, and Q3. The minimum and maximum of this dataset are 49 and 8. I identified these by finding the highest and lowest value in the dataset. Now we need to define the range. The interquartile range is the difference between Q3 and Q1. So the formula for interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. In our case, this is 28 minus 12 equals 16. So 16 is the interquartile range. So that was our video. Thank you guys for listening, and we hope you learned something new about the use and how to make a box plot.